Have you ever looked at someone older than you and secretly wondered, why does their skin still look so fresh? No heavy makeup, no expensive beauty treatments, no perfect lighting, yet somehow their face still looks brighter, smoother, and healthier, even at an older age. Now here is the strange part. Some of the biggest skin aging triggers are not happening in front of the mirror at all. They happen at the dining table. Every single day. Most people spend years searching for the perfect cream, while completely ignoring the foods entering their body morning and night. But your skin reacts to everything: stress, sugar, poor sleep, dehydration, sunlight, and daily eating habits. And over time, the face quietly starts showing those habits back to you. Dark spots become easier to notice. Skin begins looking duller. Fine lines slowly appear stronger. But certain nutrient-rich foods may help support healthier-looking skin naturally as part of balanced daily habits. Now remember this very carefully. Healthy skin is not created overnight. This is not magic. It is usually a slow, consistent process where small habits quietly build results over time. Many people fail because they expect fast perfection instead of staying patient with healthier routines. Before we go deeper into today's video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And in the comments, tell us honestly, what skin problem annoys you the most right now? Because one food in this video became famous after people discovered it may contain shockingly higher amounts of protective compounds compared to regular vegetables most people already eat every day. Sprouted broccoli seeds. At first glance, these tiny green sprouts do not look powerful at all. Most people walk past them in grocery stores without noticing them. But inside these small broccoli sprouts is something many wellness experts became extremely interested in: sulforaphane. And here is where things become fascinating. Sprouted broccoli seeds may contain far more sulforaphane compared to mature broccoli. That surprised many researchers because sulforaphane is connected with supporting the body's natural protective and detox pathways. Now think about modern skin for a moment. Every single day, the skin deals with pollution, stress, sunlight, unhealthy food habits, poor sleep, and environmental pressure. Over time, these things may affect how the skin looks and feels. This is one reason many healthy skincare conversations now focus on supporting the body internally instead of only depending on creams and treatments. And honestly, that is what makes broccoli sprouts so interesting. They are tiny, but packed with nutrients many people completely overlook. Some people add them into sandwiches. Others mix them into salads or healthy bowls. The taste feels fresh and light, making them easy to include in simple meals. And here is something many viewers may relate to. A lot of people spend hundreds of dollars on skincare products while eating highly processed foods every single day. Then they wonder why the skin still looks stressed or tired. Healthy-looking skin often reflects overall lifestyle patterns more than people expect. Better foods, better hydration, less sugar, better sleep. Small habits slowly work together over time. Another interesting thing about broccoli sprouts is how fresh they feel as part of meals. Some people say adding more greens and natural foods into their routine makes them feel healthier overall, not only in appearance but also in energy and lifestyle. And perhaps that is the biggest lesson hidden inside today's video. The body notices consistency. Tiny daily habits repeated again and again quietly shape how the skin looks later in life. Oysters. Most people never connect seafood with clearer-looking skin. But oysters became very popular in wellness discussions for one important reason: zinc. And zinc is one of the minerals the body uses while supporting skin repair and overall skin health. Now think about dark spots left behind after old breakouts or stressed skin. Many people spend months trying creams while the skin still looks uneven or tired. This is one reason balanced nutrition became such an important topic in healthy skincare conversations. Because the skin does not only react to products, it also reacts to what the body receives daily from food. Oysters naturally contain very high amounts of zinc compared to many other foods, and that surprised many people because zinc is often discussed in conversations related to skin maintenance and recovery support. Some wellness experts even compare healthy nutrients to workers, quietly helping the body maintain itself from inside every single day. Now, this does not mean oysters instantly erase dark marks. Healthy-looking skin takes patience, consistency, balanced habits. But nutrient-rich foods may help support healthier skin over time when combined with good routines. And here is something many viewers may relate to. People often notice their skin looks worse during periods of unhealthy eating, stress, poor sleep, or dehydration. Then, after improving overall lifestyle habits, the skin slowly begins looking fresher again, little by little. That is why skincare is rarely about one magical product alone. Everything works together. Sleep, hydration, stress levels, sun exposure, food choices. And honestly, that is what makes healthy skin routines more realistic long term. Some people enjoy oysters occasionally as part of balanced meals, while others focus on different zinc-rich foods depending on personal preference. The important lesson is understanding that nutrients quietly influence the skin from inside every single day. Now here is where things become even more interesting. Beef liver may not be trendy on social media, but many older generations respected it for one reason: nutrition. And one of the biggest reasons wellness experts continue discussing beef liver is because it naturally contains vitamin A in a form called retinol. Now, most people already know the word retinol because it appears in expensive skincare creams everywhere today. Many products are marketed around it because retinol-related compounds are connected with smoother-looking skin and supporting the skin's renewal process. But what surprised many people is that certain foods naturally contain vitamin A nutrients too, and beef liver became one of the most talked about examples. Now, this is important to understand clearly. Eating healthy foods does not replace skincare routines or create overnight changes, but balanced foods containing important nutrients may help support overall skin wellness from inside the body. Some people eat small portions of beef liver occasionally as part of balanced meals because of its nutrient content. Others simply focus on understanding how nutrition and skin health are deeply connected together. And honestly, many people completely underestimate this connection. They spend hundreds on creams while sleeping poorly, eating processed foods daily, drinking very little water. The skin quietly reflects lifestyle patterns more than people realize. One older man once shared that after improving his eating habits and reducing junk food for several months, people around him kept asking if he had changed his skincare products. But, according to him, the biggest difference was not expensive creams. It was finally taking care of his body consistently from inside. And maybe that is the biggest secret many people miss. Healthy-looking skin usually comes from repeated daily habits, not panic or shortcuts. But the next food in this video may surprise viewers the most because it looks tiny and harmless, yet many people interested in healthy aging quietly add it into their breakfast almost every single day. Chia seeds. Most people think wrinkles and dark spots only happen because of age. But many skincare experts believe dry-looking skin may also make fine lines, dullness, and uneven spots appear more noticeable over time. And that is one reason chia seeds became very popular in healthy aging conversations. These tiny seeds absorb water and form a soft, gel-like texture, which is why many people connect them with hydration support. Chia seeds also naturally contain nutrients and healthy fats that may help support smoother and healthier-looking skin as part of balanced eating habits. Now, here is something many viewers may relate to. When skin becomes too dry, the face often starts looking tired faster. Makeup may not sit smoothly. Dark spots sometimes appear stronger. The skin can lose some of its natural glow and softness. That is why many healthy skincare routines focus heavily on hydration, not only through creams, but also through daily food and water habits. Some people mix chia seeds into yogurt. Others add them into smoothies, oatmeal, or overnight puddings. The habit itself is extremely simple, which makes it easier to continue consistently. And honestly, consistency changes everything. One woman shared that after improving hydration, eating more natural foods, and adding healthier routines into her mornings, her skin slowly started looking fresher even before she changed her skincare products. That is the interesting thing about healthy-looking skin. Sometimes the biggest changes begin quietly from inside the body first. Red cabbage. Most people see red cabbage and think it is only for salads or decoration beside meals. But this colorful vegetable quietly contains nutrients many wellness experts connect with healthier-looking skin and healthy aging support. And honestly, the deep purple-red color itself tells an important story. Bright, colorful vegetables often contain antioxidants, and red cabbage naturally contains powerful antioxidant compounds along with sulfur-based nutrients that many people describe as part of healthy skin support. Some wellness experts even call sulfur the beauty mineral because it is connected with supporting collagen and helping the skin maintain a smoother and fresher appearance over time. Now think about modern lifestyles for a moment. Stress, lack of sleep, processed foods, constant pollution, strong sunlight. The skin deals with pressure every single day. Over time, dullness and uneven-looking skin may slowly become more noticeable if healthy habits are ignored. That is why many people interested in healthy aging focus more on nutrient-rich, colorful foods instead of depending only on expensive beauty products. And surprisingly, red cabbage is very easy to use. Some people eat it raw in salads for a fresh, crunchy texture. Others lightly cook it with vegetables or healthy meals. Some even add thin slices into sandwiches or bowls during lunch. The goal is not perfection. The goal is adding more supportive foods consistently into daily life. Another interesting thing many viewers notice is this. People who begin eating more colorful natural foods often start feeling healthier overall. Better hydration, better digestion, more balanced meals. Small improvements slowly connect together over time. And honestly, healthy-looking skin is usually a reflection of repeated daily care, not one magical ingredient. This video is shared for educational and wellness purposes only. Foods and healthy habits may support skin wellness naturally, but they are not a replacement for professional medical treatment, diagnosis, or skincare advice for serious conditions. And now tell us in the comments, which food from today's video surprised you the most? And if you enjoy simple wellness and skincare videos explained in easy English, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay ready for the next powerful health video.